Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and you're well. So in today video viewers, I will show you Pebble Stone Crafts ideas. So I hope you're enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So viewers, my first idea is frames. So viewers, turn ordinary stone into beautiful work of art. Stone crafts are fun, easy and budget friendly. You can find smooth stone in your garden, at the bench or in a park. Watch them well and let them dry before you start. The first idea is paint stone. Use bright color to paint flower, heart, star, happy face. And viewers, the second idea is animal stone. Paint ladybug, owl, turtle, beans and cute cats on smooth rock. Add small detail with a thin brush to make them look alive. And friends, next to make inspiration stone. Write kind words, hope, smile, love, dream or believe. Place them on your desk, in your garden or give them on someone special. And viewers, my next idea is friends. So friends, another creative idea is stone magnet. Glue a smooth magnet to the back of a paint stone. They look beautiful on your refrigerator, or they can hold notes or photos. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel.